Hi, boys and girls. So you have been working really hard on adding two-digit numbers, subtracting two-digit numbers, all with those multiples of 10. So we're going to be using a lot of those strategies that we've been working on and some of these tools like our number pieces to really apply that to a two-digit number and a one-digit number. Now you might be thinking, I can just count on. Well, we could, but we're going to really try to use our strategies and even our tools if they help us, because when our numbers get even bigger, we can't always just count on. Okay, so I'm going to be using the break apart or the decomposing strategy today, and I'm only going to be decomposing my two-digit number. So I'm going to be thinking about the number 36 plus 6. And I'm going to be thinking about the number 36, and I'm going to break it up into my tens and my ones. And we've done this before, so I know that 36 is 3 tens or 30, and 6. And then when we're going to add, we're going to be adding our ones and then our tens. So I look at my ones and I'm noticing 6 plus 6. I know that, that's a double. So 6 plus 6 is 12. Because I know that math fact, I know that's a double. I worked really hard on my doubles all year. And then, okay, I have 12 and 30. Now this might look familiar because we've been really working hard on adding two-digit numbers with a multiple of 10. Here's my multiple of 10, right? Okay, so I can also use my number pieces if that helps me. I know that 12 is 1 10 and 2 ones. So I can just count on 30, 40, 41, 42. 36 plus 6 is 42. Now I could have counted on 30, starting at 36 and counted 6 more and have gotten the same answer. So let's count with me. Ready? So I'm going to start with 36's in my head, 36, and then count 6 more. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. 36 plus 6 is 42. So if you want to use the counting on as a way to double check your work, you can certainly do that. That might help you today. Okay, let's try another one. All right, we're going to try 49 plus 4 equals. Okay, so I'm going to be decomposing 49. So I know that 49 in tens and ones is 40 and 9, because we have been working hard on that, breaking apart those two-digit numbers. And then I have 9. I'm going to add 9 and 4. 9 and 4, we worked on our nines, our 9 groups, okay? I can use it. I can use my make 10 strategy because 9 is 1 less than 10. So I can think, okay, well, 10 plus 4 is 14. Well, 1 less must mean that this is 13. So I can think, okay, 9 plus 4 is 13. And then I need to add my 40. Well, here I still have my 110, right? We can take our number pieces if they help us. We don't have to. Because today, when you add, you're going to always have that 110. So here's 13, if that helps me. But I know that teen numbers is 110 and some ones. Okay, that's what we're going to be working on today too. So I know that I have 40, 50, 51, 52, 53. So 49 plus 4 is 53. If I wanted to count on just to check my work, 49 is in my head and I count 4 more. So 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. All right, let's try another one. All right, we're going to try this one. And I want you to notice something about those ones. 45 plus 5. Okay, I'm going to start by breaking apart my two-digit number, my 40 and my 5, and see if you notice. So I know that 45 is 40 and 5. Do you notice anything? Do you see a 10? It's also a double, but it's a 10. 5 and 5 make 10. So I have 40 plus 10. Do I need my pieces, my numbers pieces? I could get them if I need them, but I know from practicing counting on the hundreds chart, from adding 10 more, I know that 40 plus 10 or 10 more is 50. So 45 plus 5 is 50. Good job, everybody. Great. If you noticed that make 10 and we made a new 10, if you noticed that, great job. Okay, we're going to practice one more and then you'll be off to work on your own today. So our last one that we're going to work on together, we're going to do 68 plus 5 equals. Okay, so my first step, I'm going to break apart that 68. Even though you might just want to quickly count on because you just can count on 5, you could, but use it as a way to double check your work. Really start practicing that break apart strategy, just because that's going to help us when we are starting to add even bigger numbers. Okay, so 68. I know that 68, I see 6 tens. 6 tens is 60. So 68 is 60 and 8. Okay. Now I'm going to add my ones. 8 plus 5. Any ideas? We could count on. We might know this fact. 8 plus 5 is 13. So I noticed that this is a teen number. We're working with teen numbers today. And a teen number is 1, 10, and some ones. So we have 3 ones. If I needed my number pieces, I could take them out to help me see all those 10s and 1s and help me count. That's certainly okay. So, okay, I'm ready to count 60, 70. All right, I counted this 10 over here, but I can also say 60, 70, 71, 72, 73. So this 13 is the same as this 13. So these are the same. So just make sure that we don't count this one and this one. Pick which one works for you. All right, let's do that again. Watch me, ready? 60, 70, 71, 72, 73. Or if I needed my number pieces, I can count 60, 70, 71, 72, 73. Either way, 68 plus 5 equals 73. And if I wanted to count on, keep 60 in my head, count 5 more just to double check my work. 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73. So I kind of just did 3 different ways of counting on to make sure I got my sum. 68 plus 5 is 73. Now you're going to notice today that in all of our work, we're going to make a new 10. We're going to have that new 10. in our work because our ones are always going to be making teen numbers. All right, now your job. When you're off to work today, this is what you're going to be working on. 54 plus 6, 67 plus 4, 48 plus 7, and here's a bonus. So I have a missing addend. I gave you our sum, and I gave you a hint. It's a make 10. 33 plus something equals 40. So when you go off to work today, I want you to think about breaking apart or decomposing these two-digit numbers and then adding your ones to get a teen number. That's going to help you then add those multiples of 10. You can use your number pieces if they help you. You can draw your number pieces. If you were to draw them, what I would like to do, I would just draw kind of long, maybe an L or a long line for my tens. So I have, 110, 2 tens, and like a little dot for a 1, if that helps you. If you can do this in your head, I still want to see your work. So I want to see you breaking apart and decomposing these two-digit numbers into tens and ones. So make sure you're doing that. If you're just counting on, I still want to see you decomposing. So whether you choose to work in our app and upload pictures, that's fine. Whether you choose to copy these examples on a separate sheet of paper and show me your work by decomposing, that's fine. You can take a picture and upload it. And then try this bonus. If you know our make 10, what makes 10, that's going to help you figure out 33 plus something equals 40. Okay, boys and girls, great job learning today. I can't wait to see all of your hard work and great thinking. Bye.